test, and it is completely comfortable with agile, whatever we are doing. Okay, whatever we are doing, agile process, in the same manner this Tosca also can be used. And nowadays, if you see, even in the from the developer perspective, what is happening is they are also slowly moving to the codeless tools. Okay, so they don't want to write n number of lines of code or something. If you see Salesforce, or if you see any other codeless tools nowadays, so they don't have to write code, they just have to use the features that are already present in the tool. In the same manner, this Tosca is also developed. And you can write a efficient number of test cases with minimum skill set. Okay, you don't need to have, like, as I've already told, there is no need of you to create any framework. There is no need you to write thousands or 10,000 lines of code. Okay, so, and also customization, you can generate the test reports, you can whatever, if your management asks for anything, you can customize it however you want. Okay, and it is majorly used for functional and regression testing. Okay, I hope everyone knows what is functional testing and what is regression testing. Understood? Clear about till here? Okay, so moving on to the next topic, we will understand what are the top industries that currently this Tosca is being used. Okay, so if you see, information technology is a one leading, industry that Tosca is being used, not only in information technology but also in financial services, computer softwares, like insurance projects, banking projects, publishing, automotive, entertainment, airlines, and aviation. In almost all the industries, Tosca is started its journey, and it's leading. It's having a very good. Uh, I mean use of this tool. Okay, if you see, the graph is also like 45% in the information technology is being used, 14% in financial services, 8% in computer software, 6% of the people have started using insurance. These numbers are increasing. It's a data, it's a data collected like almost like in 2023, starting around January. But as it is now, we are in 2024, these are really changing. Okay, so if you learn Tosca, you have the advantage of not only working in this thing, you can work in any of these projects. Okay, not only like banking, financial services are also rigorously using this Tosca, and automotive, entertainment, and airlines also being used. Okay, so any of the companies can hire you if you have Tosca under your bucket. Yes. So now we have understood what all the industries are being used. Now we will understand what all the countries are using. Okay. If you learn this tool, it might be easy for you to migrate to other countries also. Like United States, Germany, India, Netherlands, Austria, Switzerland, United Kingdom, Australia, Slovakia, and Canada. All these countries are also looking for people who have expertise in Tosca. Okay, so, and the Tosca is very easy, right? So that is the reason everyone have started using it, because even if a manual, if you're, suppose you are learning, if you're already into manual testing, so for client or the customer to make you an automation tester, it takes very minimal effort. Like if you take like 15 days of effort, you can complete your AS1 certification. AS1 I'll tell you about certification in later stages, but that certification can be completed, and that is like a benchmark for you, for everyone who knows Tosca. So if you have his AS1 certification, so client also will understand, okay, he knows the basics of Tosca. He knows how to create a test case. He knows how to play around with Tosca tool. So that confidence the customer can get, and with that confidence, you can go ahead and start creating your test cases also. Yes, as other tools also have the competitors. Tosca also has the competitors. If you see, these are the major competitors of Tosca, like Circle CI, Cucumber, Bitbucket Pipelines, Robot Framework, Catalan, Browser Stack. These are all competing with Tosca to match the levels of Tosca. Okay, so these are the strong. I can say, we can say these are one of the strong competitors of Tosca. So this is a graph and all, you can understand. Yes. So as it is a model based testing, right? So you can you can use reuse whatever you have already developed. Like if you have an end to end test case, you can reuse that module. I can say whatever you have started with, that can be reused a number of times in your test cases. And here you have a dynamic object identification method. Okay, so we will see what is dynamic object identification once we start our curriculum. In that, I'll cover what how can you identify the properties on the web application that you are doing with the help of dynamic methods. Okay, so not only with XPath, or not only with the properties that particular property has on the web page, there are also dynamic methods where you can identify the particular property on Tosca. Yes, and here you have a concept called libraries and reusable tester blocks, where you can create one library. Similarly, we go to a library, right? So if you want to have any book to read, some people don't have an opportunity, or some people wouldn't like to stack the books together in home, right? So at that point of time, we take the advantage of this library, go to the library, borrow a book, read a book, get the knowledge and put it back and get some more book. Okay, so in a similar way, we can also create libraries here with the help of what we have developed in the modules. We can create the libraries, we can create the tester blocks, and with the help of libraries and tester blocks, we can reuse and we can create 100 to 1000 test cases within no span of time. And you have an easy verification and validation method. Okay, it's not like you have to write 100 lines of code, or 10, at least 10 to 5 lines of code to verify some particular value. It's just here, if you see, this is a tool overview. Here if you see, there's a value and here an action mode. So whatever you have to just verify, you just verify under value and then put the action mode as verify. It's done. Tosca will understand, for this particular property, I have to go and verify this particular thing. Okay. So this is how the easy verification and validation method is working on. Yes, and these are the most of the important features of Tosca, I can say. Like you can do test case design here. We can also do service virtualization here, and it is supporting multiple technologies like SAP, Salesforce, web application, desktop applications, and also if you have any black screens like command prompt or all those things, any of these technologies it can support. And it has maximum risk coverage. Optimization can be done. It can also do test data management. It has an inbuilt feature called TDS, where with the help of TDS you can manage the test data that you want to. Like it's similar like an SQL server or an Oracle server, you have it. So in Tosco also you have a TDS server where you can store all the information whatever you want to save it from testing perspective. And it is also model based test automation. I'll be keep on repeating this model based test automation because that is a major what I can say, it's a major foundation of this Tosca. So you will learn what is model based test automation slowly when we are getting actual pulp of this tool. Yes, there are few key features of Tosca, like with the help of Vision AI, you can grab the properties. It is a model based, it's a risk based. As we have discussed like before, these are the main key features of Tosca. Yes, if you see, there are few components that you have to understand. Like you have Tosca commander, you have Tosca wizard, Tosca repository, and Tosca executor. Okay, so I'll just open up the forum for you. You can just go ahead with your queries and questions if you have. After that, I'll help explain you about what is AS1, and how we are gonna learn and how this curriculum is designed and all. Yeah, please go ahead if you have any questions.
Today, are we going to have any live demonstration on how the tool works, or it's just the theory part?
Tomorrow, I mean, we have designed it like 3 days. In tomorrow's session, I'll show you how we will open the tool, how our test case will run, and how what are the results, how can you store the result, all those things in the tomorrow session.
Hello, this is Rupchandra.
Yeah, please, Rupchandra.
In these 30 days, we will get AS1 and AS2 two certifications, right?
You get four certifications: AS1, AS2. We also give database testing, we also give API testing, and TDS2 is also covered. So totally five certifications you can get after you complete this.
Okay. I mean, may I know what are the topics we will come across here? I mean, functional regression testing and database testing and API testing as well, or only functional testing?
No, no. We do web application testing. We do. We are doing web application testing live. Like in the class, what happens is we have 1 hour of time, right? So 30 or 40 minutes, I'll explain you the theory part, and the next 20 minutes will be like you will be working on the tool. Everyone will have the tool ready by the time I start the course. So all once the tool is ready in everyone's machine, only then we start the course. And like every day 20 minutes you will have the practice session, or if at all, if I'm not getting time for that day, I'll give you an assignment. So regular assignments like daily assignments and weekly assignments will be given, and you have to come back. And by the first 15 days of this class you will be ready for with AS1. So everyone, after you complete the first 15 days of the course, you will be attempting for AS1 exam. So almost, if who are all interested completing this one will be completing AS1 exam, then we'll go to AS2, and then we'll do the TDS2. These are the three main certifications. Apart from that, you can also complete database testing and API testing with the knowledge whatever I am giving. Those are the additional benefits you are getting from this course.
So, web-based application testing means like you'll be showing on Salesforce or any particular uh, on what you'll be doing and creating the test cases on that.
Yeah, basically this is a demo web shop .tricentis.com. This is the this is a web application given by Tricentis Academy. Okay, so in
Okay.
this, if why we are picking this particular web application, because in this we have all the different features that we can learn and we can grab it. Okay, if you see, if you want to learn about how to scan, how to get how to do a text box, how to get a button, how to get a drop down, all the things are there here. Okay, you can play
Mhm.
around with this tool. This tool is open source for everyone, so that is the reason we will mainly pick up on this demo web shop, this tricentis.com, and we will play around with this tool. If you are interested, you can also work on other applications. I can help you in that, but for now we are only working on this web shop, demo web shop web application.
Okay. And what about the database part, Mansa?
Yeah, database also, I'll help. I'll explain you how can you connect with the database, what are the prerequisites you have to do with the database, and what are the
Okay.
different things you can play around with database, how to fetch a value, how to build it, and all those things will be given. An overall
Okay.
view where you can go ahead and you can start with the database testing.
Okay, will there be any kind of interface, interface application testing, like interacting with the different application?
I did not
For
get
example,
you.
yeah, for example, in Salesforce, if you want to do an what do you say? Mm, yeah, different applications will be there, and if you want to interact with a different application, and if that different application will be on, either it can be on Java or something, right? The
Yeah,
backend.
yeah.
If you want to
Okay,
do
got
an,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, whatever knowledge I give, right? We'll be
Mm-hmm.
playing around with this mainly on this web application tool, okay? But whatever in the meantime, whenever we are going through all these things, right, there will be few more concepts that I'll be explaining in the middle. With the help
Okay.
of that, you can understand and you can know, you can get to know, okay, how to interact with other applications and all.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hi Mansa, this is Vijay. Actually, I joined
yeah,
couple of minutes late to the session. So my
okay,
question is, one of my friend is there. He's completely on the manual side, and
okay,
so he has a less hands-on experience on coding side. So this course
okay.
is suitable for him because today he could not join the call, some personal reason. So
Okay, no problem. Yeah,
yes,
as I've told already, I know you have been late. It's completely a codeless tool. I mean, in my company only, like in my 10 years of my career, I have converted like almost like 150 manual testers into automation with with no knowledge in any of the I mean scripting languages. Like there is like absolutely there no need for you to know about any tool, any scripting
okay,
language. Okay. Only thing
okay,
is you just have to know few, I mean, what is regression testing, what is functional testing. If you know that, it will be good enough. Even if you don't know that, just let me know when you're joining the class so that I'll take the responsibility to make you understand what is functional testing and the basics of testing so that you can come along with this tool with the course content.
sure, thank you. And
Yeah.
as you mentioned already, today's demo session and other 2 days, next 2 days, right? And actually, other two friends are interested for this Tosca automation. So shall
Okay.
I get the recording session because they could not attend today? At least even I miss
Yeah,
a
yeah.
couple of minutes, so I can go through the session and I can come back with the questions.
Yes, yes. My team will I mean share this YouTube link of the demo sessions, whatever we are doing in this demo, and
Okay,
all those things will be shared in the WhatsApp group. You can share with whomever you want, and also you can invite them to this demo sessions.
sure, sure. Tomorrow is also same time, right? It's morning 8 a.m.
It's not same. We'll be, I mean, proceeding like ahead about the topic. So today we learned what is the basics of Tosca, and I'll just give you an introduction. Okay, slowly you will get to understand how to go into the tool and how to do it. Slowly you will get to know everything.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah.
Mansa, once the
Okay.
session is done, you will be sharing the recordings in WhatsApp, or how it is?
Yeah, Priya. Actually, my team will come up. My team will be around 10:30, I believe. So once they are back, they are in the office, they'll share the videos of this demo, whatever we are doing in the WhatsApp group. I mean,
Okay.
we are already there in the WhatsApp group, right? So in that
Yeah.
group only, they'll be sharing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi Mansa, I have a question. So
Yes.
to access the Tricentis tool, do we need a business account? Because right now I'm not working to any company, so I don't have any business account. So how do I access the tool?
Yeah, don't worry about any business account, anything. If you are with us, we'll help you out with totally installing your tool and getting the tool on your machine and also completing your certifications. Okay, so there is no need to worry that I don't have a business account, I'm not working. It's, I mean, I can assure you that my team is there to help you out with all those things. You just have to come and stay with us all through this course so that you can get all the benefits of whatever we are giving.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi
Yeah, hi
Mansa,
once
this
Hello,
is
ma'am.
Isha.
Vinod here.
Yeah, Vinod.
I'm Vinod here from Bangalore. Actually, I'm working from 6 plus years into a manual testing.
Okay.
So I able to convert some experience into this Tosca automation like 2 plus years after the training.
Yes, yes, completely you can get, because this is not only a theoretical sessions that we are doing, we are practically practicing everything. Okay, so whatever I am giving the exercises, if you can follow them and if you can get them, and you can surely show put up your resume as a automation tester. And if you see previously in my previous batch also, there are people who
Okay.
got, I mean, only with the course content and whatever they have learned in this, they are into now Tosca projects and they are successfully completing their Tosca projects. I mean, they are confident enough to do the Tosca projects.
Okay. Ma'am, what is the timing like regular session once started it is? What is the timing?
The timings and all, my team will come back to you. It will be mostly on Monday to
Okay.
Friday only. Saturday, Sundays, weekends we don't will not be sessions. But the timings and all, you can get back to my team and they'll help you out. Okay. In the WhatsApp, you'll get all the information about what are the timings and all.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
So this is not an fixed timing, answer, like
Yeah,
morning 8.
mostly we'll do it on in the same time only. Okay, if there
Okay.
is any changes, my team will get back to you on that, because if we get maximum number of are comfortable on this time, we can take up on the same time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Mansa.
Hi, Alekya.
Yeah, what happened? I am learning manual testing parallelly with Tosca actually. Is there anything needed for me uh, to learn only functional and regression testing is enough, or anything else I need to learn?
uh I I mean, if you know how to create a test case, you know how to write the test steps, that would be sufficient, Alekya.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
parallelly
we
I
keep
started
talking about
actually. Okay.
test cases, we keep talking about web application, regression testing, functional testing. Even if you are with us, if you are not able to understand any terminology, you can stop me there and ask me what is this. Okay, I'm here to help you out with all those things. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
yeah, no problem.
Manasa,
uh,
this 30 days is more than enough to crack the jobs.
yes, it's only first 15 days you'll get the first certification. With that confidence, you can go ahead and complete the rest two certifications.
so
Means the
once
total
what and
course
all
for the
certificate AS1, AS2, and what else we will get after completion of this training?
Yeah, AS1, AS2, TDS2 is a one three main things. Apart from this, you can also complete database testing and API testing.
All the certificate we are going to get,
Yeah,
means the
and
I'll
what
total
and like
handhold you. Like I'll handhold you for each and everything. I mean, I'll explain you how to uh, appear for that exam, how to write the exam, and also we'll practice few of the practice questions, like what is a pattern of the exam, how might be the questions. Okay, so all those things will be covered in this session.
okay, and like we are going to do the testing in this demo website, right? But
Yeah.
in any like live website, if we have to do the testing, then that also it is going to be covered as part of this course, or that we have to do for ourselves only.
This is a live website only.
No, apart from this, if any other website,
Yeah,
if
if
we
you see,
want to help.
this will be covered as part of our curriculum. Okay, so if you are interested, there are few people in my previous batches, they were interested in other and they wanted to automate other applications. they were doing it simultaneously, apart from my course content. Okay, so if they were stuck in any of these situations or conditions, they used to come back to me and ask me the questions. I was there to help them out. Okay, so similarly, in this, as I mean, everyone should be on the same page, I will be working only on this tool, on this
Hmm.
particular this website. Apart from that, if you're interested, you can go ahead and start automating on other applications. We can I can help you out.
Okay, then that support till when we are going to get, like, is it a
See,
lifetime support or like something else?
it's not like lifetime support. See, there are people who will be approaching me like, I'm stuck here, I'm stuck here. If see, if my time permits, I surely reply you on the WhatsApp. Okay,
Okay.
but all through this 30 days, whatever, wherever you are stuck, I am here. I can help you out, I can guide you, I can handhold you for all the things you are doubtful about.
Yeah. Okay. One second.
Yeah.
Mansa, this is the total, it's a 30 hours training, right? Entire the Tosca automation.
Yeah, Vijay. So actually,
Okay.
we have planned it from 25 hours to 30 hours. Like we take 1 hour a day, right? So it will be
Okay.
1 hour as a one day. So it will be around 25 to 30 days. Okay, based on our flexibility. See, there are some batches who have completed the course by 25 days because they were enthusiastic. And I mean, there are people who, I mean, everyone in the batch might not be experienced and they cannot grasp this, right? Based on the
Yes.
batch I will complete, but by 30 days for sure you'll be completing all the three four five certifications, sorry, five certifications, and with practical knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
No
hi
problem.
Manasa. This is Ishwar from performance testing team.
Yeah, Isha.
Actually, I'm very much interested to learn Tosca. So how it will be helping my career as a performance tester to learn this tool?
Yeah, it's not like you only I mean, testing is like a whole thing, right? So you
Yeah, yeah.
can project your resume like, I mean, I have been included also in functional testing, regression testing, and also I have equal knowledge on performance testing. It will add an
Okay.
added advantage to your resume.
Okay. So I have totally 8 years of experience in performance testing. So
Oh,
I'm in high-end package now. So if I learn this Tosca, so how much of experience I have to put in resume as a Tosca level?
it depends upon your confidence, Ishwar. So generally,
Okay.
I would suggest like 3 years can be put after you complete this course, because
Okay.
whatever the questions that might come up in an interview for 3 years, all will be covered. Interview questions also
Okay.
will be covered in this curriculum. So
Okay.
apart from that, if you want to project your profile for 4 to 5 years, it depends upon your confidence.
Okay. 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 So what about these Tosca level packages in the organization level? I mean salary level.
Yeah, Isha, that depends upon candidate to candidate, person to person, and how you crack your interview, how you perform in the interview. It all depends upon your individual performance. Okay, it's not a generalized thing. We can generalize. Okay, but yes, there are. It is a high-end package, and there are more companies that are looking for Tosca certified people. I mention it as certified because yes, certification is what they are mandatory looking for. If you're certified, for sure, they are actually, yes, the
Okay.
open market
Yeah.
is very well you open for this Tosca people.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, no problem.
Uh, Hi Mansa, this is Tejaswini. I'm
Yeah.
having like 3 years of experience as manual tester and also one and 2 years of career gap. Now I'm as like currently doing as freelancer. So I wanted to learn Tricentis Tosca and wanted to get back to the career. So it will be helpful, right?
Yes, surely it will be.
So can we add like 1 year of experiences on Tosca like that in resume?
Yeah.
As we are
See,
doing live project, can we include that in resume as well?
yeah, you can.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
see, that is what
Mm,
interview questions will be discussed in
mm,
this, and also at the end you will have a support of how to tweak your resume, how can you show up your resume, all those things. I'll give you a support, and also uh,
mm,
one-on-one interview also will be conducted, so that if you are interested, I can take up interviews for each and everyone, so that you can have a mock interview sessions with me, and you can go ahead and attend the interviews.
yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Hi Mansa, good morning.
Yeah, good morning,
Uh,
Kumari.
yeah, so like how many days we will get access for this Tricentis license one to
Yeah, the
practice?
license. Yeah, the license will be like 60 days, 60 to 90 days, I believe. So for that time, you will have access, but we will help you out with a methodology. You can have access for yourself. Okay. So those things and all will be discussed slowly once we get to know. So don't worry about license and all. We are here to provide you the license, and license will be given, tool will be given, and practice will be given.
Okay, okay, so that we can practice ourselves, right?
Yes, yes. You
Yeah,
have to practice along with me. So it's
yes,
not
yes.
like I and you will be listening. Like I want everyone to, I mean, we are like sitting together, meeting together, and practicing together. That's it.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no
Hi
problem.
Mansa.
Yes,
The
I
everyday
will.
session is going to record, right? And
Yeah,
so these
everyday
record.
sessions will be recorded. All the videos will be video records. Sorry, recordings will be provided, and you will have lifetime access for this videos. Like it will be for
Oh,
you.
oh, okay, thank you. That was the question.
Yeah. Any other questions that I have to answer?
Yeah, Aisha here. I'm sorry I've joined late. So maybe my question would have been answered. I just like to know there is a domain ID which has to be entered. And this Tricentis Tosca asks for the company ID itself. So is that will be provided?
Yes, we will provide you everything.
Thank you.
Even if you don't have a an email ID, no need to worry. We are here to help you out. We'll give you the tool. We'll give you access to everything, and you can aram say work with us and learn Tosca. Okay. So only
Yes,
thing we
thank you.
request from you is please practice along whatever we are teaching every day. Okay. If you see my latest batch, which is actually running, I would like to share this. See, all the people have already completed AS1. See, like batch of 22, they have already completed AS1. So now I am going to start AS2 for them, and like it depends upon your interest. So if you complete, like you will be easy, it will be easy for you to grab. Okay, so first 15 days you will complete AS1, and then we'll move to AS2 topics. We'll complete AS2 topic, and then we'll move to TDS2. We'll learn TDS2. TDS2 topics also will be completed. Database testing, API testing will also be done manually.
So
I mean,
AS1 means, can you please pull from AS1?
yeah, I'm coming to that.
Okay.
Okay, one second. Just a moment, please.
No problem. Take your time.
Yeah, if you see, these are the different certifications that is provided by Tricentis. Okay, Tricentis is the one who has developed this Tosca tool. Okay, so Tricentis has put the effort also to give the certifications. Okay, so if you see, yes. So this is a roadmap of how can you proceed your career with Tosca. Okay. So my screen is visible, right? Okay, so here you'll start with Automation Specialist 1. It is called as AS1. So this is a course content that is given from Tricentis. Okay, so it will take 3 days according to Tricentis, but generally it will take 15 days to understand all the topics. And Automation Specialist 2, it will take 1 day according to Tricentis. So these are few things that you have to complete as a prerequisite before you start your exam. So and then you can either achieve, like you can go as an architect level, or you can go and achieve this Tosca integration developer, and you can only learn this AS1, AS2 and API, and you can stop your journey here. It all depends upon you. Okay, so this path will lead you to a developer, I mean test automation developer. It will lead you to the test engineer, like architect integration level, and it will go as a specialist, like test automation specialist. And if you achieve this path, it is like a test architect path. Okay, so AS1, AS2, AE1, AE2, and Tosca integration developer, TDS1, TDS2, and test architect. Okay, so this is all about the certifications that Tricentis is providing us. And what else? Yeah, for any of the certification you have to achieve, right? So this is a base. Okay, this is a foundation. So these two are the foundations. Only if you can complete AS1 and AS2, only then you can go ahead, move on to any of the things. Okay. And let me show you the course content. So this is a course content like AS1. I have installed the course content like this, like divided. So first we will leave in the first class, we will see how we'll install Tosca and how to activate the free license. Okay, a license activation can be done, and we learn more about what are the components of Tosca. And there are here there's a concept called modules, test cases and all. So we'll slowly move, I mean step by step we will learn everything, so that you can understand the advanced topics. And then we'll start creating our test cases, like by fourth day or fifth day of your Tosca journey, right? So you can start creating your test cases, like 3, 3, 4, 5 days you can start creating your test cases. I'll help you how to create a test case and how to run a test case. Then after you start creating your test case, you will learn, I mean you are digging a deeper level. Okay, you're starting to dig more deeper about Tosca. So then you will understand what are the different action modes you have to put into test cases, and how to run a test case. So once everything is done, there are few more topics that will be covered in each and everything. Again, we have a concept called libraries. We will learn more about libraries. In the libraries only, there's a concept called configuration parameter. You will learn about that. And then we have a concept called execution list. Okay, this execution list is very, very important. So that if you want to do any distributed execution, like if you want to run your test cases in Jenkins pipeline or CI/CD or any of the things, like continuously you want to run your test cases, this execution list plays a major role in that. Okay, these are the basics of Tosca. That AS1, this is a syllabus that I have grabbed from this Tricentis website. Okay, and also, if you see, there are few advanced topics you will learn in AS1, like how to set up a multi-user environment. And there are few more concepts like recovery cleanup scenario, and there are business parameters, and you can work here with tables. Okay, how to grab a table and all, and a lot more about tables. And here also you have conditional statements like while, if, do statements, how to work on those things. These are all the topics will be covered in AS1. Okay. And coming to the AS2, like it AS2 is all about test data design sheet. Okay. So here in the AS1, we will understand how to create a test case, how to run the test case, and how to create a configuration parameter, all those things. And then we have to dig more, right? Like how to create a test data sheet, how to I mean map it your test case with outside Excel sheet or something like that. If you want to do a data driven test case, so how to do that, all those things will be covered in AS2. Here you will also understand how to create logs, how to create report creation. Here we will cover database testing, API testing, and DEX setup. DEX is nothing but a continuous integration. How can we set up this continuous integration with the help of Tosca? All the information will be given to you in this class, like when we are discussing about DEX setup. Okay. And also TDS2 is also covered. So TDS2 is nothing but, I've already told you, there is a Tosca. Tosca has designed a separate server for everyone. So for that server, so how to use the server, how to prepare your project for that server, how to save your records into that server, all those things will be given in TDS2. Okay. And additional topics, what all the things we'll get is, you will also get help on resume preparation and interview questions, AS1, AS2 certifications, TDS2, and also preparation. Like I will be I'll be giving you sample questions, how the questions will be, questionnaire will be, and how can you get what are the steps that you have to complete if you have to complete AS1, AS2 certifications. All those things will be discussed in the class. Resume and interview preparation will be like one-on-one basis. It will be only for one-on-one sessions. So if you're interested, I'll request everyone to give your name on an Excel sheet that I'll be sharing you in the later stages of the class. So in that, if you give your name, you can give your name for resume and interview preparation. I'll book your slot for one-on-one, and then based on this one-on-one session, you can prepare for your interviews. Okay, so this is how we're gonna execute our total course curriculum. And yes, there might be a lot of surprises in between, like you will have some exercises, weekly exercises, daily exercises, and all will be discussed while you are in the course content with us. Understood about certifications? If I'm little fast, please let me know, I'll slow down. So based on that convenience of the batch or the team people, I'll be moving here and there. If you want little more faster also, I can move. If you want little more slower also, I can adjust myself. Okay.
Sure.
This is all about the course content, and tomorrow we will see how will be the tool, and how can we run a test case, and just a sample test case run, all can be done in the tomorrow's class. Any questions and up questions, you can just stop me right over there. I am happy to help you how many times you want, and please let me know if you have any questions and queries till the part which we have discussed till now.
Also,
Mansa?
once if that apart from AS1 and AS2, like if we have to go further, then we have to purchase that license, right, from the Tricentis, I think.
All the certifications that I've mentioned, certifications you
Yes.
can do it freely. There is
No,
no certification
here it
cost.
mentioned only AS1, AS2, and TDS, right? TDS2.
Yeah, all those things, three things are free. Rest, if you want to go for A1, A2, they you have to pay some certification fee cost for it.
Oh, what is the cost for that certification? Do you have any idea?
I don't remember Santanu because I've completed long time before. There are lot many changes. I did not follow up with that. As we are concentrating only on AS1 and AS2, TDS2, right? So it's a
Mm.
free cost. I'll let you know in the
Oh,
tomorrow's class. No need to worry about it.
okay.
Yeah, Priya, you had some question?
No, that's been answered. Thank you.
Oh,
And once, after 60 days, this license will be over, right? So if
yeah.
you want to do that exercise things testings continue, then like what to do for us? Again,
Yes,
we have to
I will help you out. Yeah, you will understand once we start, I mean, deploying the license in your tool, you'll understand how can you extend your license.
Mm. Yes, yes, because like after training got over, like if you want to
Don't,
practice
no
in the
need to worry about that. No need to worry about that. You will have everything in your hand. Okay.
okay, and that time we will get the support from you, right? Like if we stuck it anywhere, we will message you in
Yes.
like in WhatsApp. Or something. Okay.
I mean, you will not stuck. I will have the I have that confidence. No one will be stuck. If you are interested, really interested, even after 60 days, if you want to practice, you will know after I explain everything in the class, you will understand how you can extend your license.
Okay, okay, sure. Thank
Yeah. Any other questions, queries here? If not, that's it I have planned for today. In tomorrow's session, we'll meet up.
Thank you, Mansa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you
Okay.
so
Thank
much
you.
for joining.
and Mansa, what is the fee structure of this course? Like,
You can get in touch with my team, Vijay. Like in the WhatsApp you have, right? You can go ahead and you can talk to them.
oh, okay, okay. Actually, I have that means in my Tricentis, I logged in through my office mail ID, and I can see like the status Tricentis support status is showing as a gold status. But when I'm trying to log in, actually previously I means download the Tricentic and log in using my office mail ID, and that time I was able to log in. But after that, 60 days got over, so that subscription also got over, I think. But now I can see my support status is showing as a gold. But when I'm trying to log in, I'm not able to log in there. I'm getting some error. So
Yeah, yeah. It
like
will not accept after 60 days. You have to use another business email ID.
even after showing the gold status,
Yeah,
okay, okay, one second.
yeah. Okay, all right. So that's it I have for today. Thank you so much for joining with us and have a very grateful and nice day today. And we'll meet up in the tomorrow session. Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Yeah,
Thank
You.
you. You too.
Yeah. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Mansa.
yeah, thanks.